The crying stopped the moment the furry babysitter arrived. The little friend sits right beside the baby like, "Don't worry, I'm here now."
Oh. Oh no.
Nothing else matters when the entertainment is this good. The sweet little expressions say it all, completely fascinated and loving every second.
Whoa. So cute. So cute. Oh no.
That's not just a hug, it's a whole reunion. They're cuddling so sweetly like they haven't seen each other in years, and now neither wants to let go.
I love you.
Forget fancy rides. This is the only ride needed. The way this little passenger sits so peacefully makes the whole trip 10 times cuter.
Whee!
No fancy bed needed when comfort looks this good. Just snuggled in, showing that little face and enjoying the peaceful moment.
Aww, so cute.
Too tired to even complain. Just letting the ride happen with the calmest little face like, "My shift is over, I'm off duty now."
Oh no. So cute.
All those cute little sounds and silly moves just to make that sweet little face smile. And the sneeze at the end was the perfect finishing touch.
Wow.
A tiny entertainer at work. The playful paw taps are cute enough, but those dramatic little rolls make the whole moment even sweeter. Aw, the little friend refuses to be left behind, following along like, "Wait up, I'm coming with my favorite friends."
Do 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 do. Ha 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 ha.
The little guardian is officially on duty, staying right beside the sleeping baby like, "Don't worry, I've got everything under control."
This is fun.
The giggles are getting a little too much. That unimpressed look says, "Okay, I've had enough of this nonsense," before making a quick exit.
Wow.
The bestie bond is seriously too cute. Sharing the sweetest little head rubs like they've got their own adorable way of saying, "Love you, bestie."
Wow. That's amazing.
Their bond is just pure magic. Drop a like if these sweet buddies made you smile and tell me your favorite moment in the comments. Bye for now.